Make Money with NFT in 2022 Step-by-Step Guide. Whether you are an artist, a crypto investor, or simply browsing through some internet content recently, you certainly have heard about NFT. Everyone is talking about NFT, the future of digital art, digital money, investments, and more. But what are NFT? How can you make money with them? Let's find out anything you need to know about the NFT world. What are NFT? To understand what are NFT, non-fungible tokens, you need to understand first what fungible tokens are, that is, what are traditional crypto coins. Cryptocurrencies are based on blockchain technology, which is like a chain of data that works as a public register for every transaction made in the network. The most famous example of cryptocurrency and the fungible token is Bitcoin. What does it mean that Bitcoin is a fungible token? Bitcoin is a digital currency. It doesn't exist in a physical form. You can't hold a Bitcoin in your hand as you do with $1. However, just like it happens with dollars, you can exchange one Bitcoin with one Bitcoin, which is exactly the same. They have the same value. An NFT instead is unique. A non-fungible token exists in one single sample. NFT can be connected to the same blockchain, but each of them is unique. This is why NFT are used for commodities like pieces of art, digital art, music, videos, or NFT traded. NFT can be sold and bought on specific marketplaces. Just like there were e-commerces, any investor can browse the marketplace, find digital content, like a digital piece of art, that they are interested in, and buy it. However, unlike common marketplaces, the purchase is not paid with dollars or euros, but with crypto coins. As you may know, however, there is more than one crypto coin in the world, so what should you use to pay for your NFT? That depends on the marketplace that you are using. For example, if the marketplace is based on the Ethereum blockchain, you'll pay with the Ether coin. You'll pay with the CRO coins if the marketplace runs on the Crypto.org blockchain. How can I sell my NFT? NFT marketplaces are a point of reference for both buyers and sellers. On those markets, you sell your NFT you created, for example, if you are an artist, and NFT that you bought from other investors. The process is usually very simple. You need to connect to the marketplace, go to its selling page, and put your NFT on sale. There is, however, one important content to keep in mind. On blockchains, every operation needs to be signed. What does it mean? That every operation requires a small transaction. Even when you put an NFT on sale, you need to pay a fee. How much is this fee? It depends on the marketplace. If the marketplace runs on Ethereum, fees will be very high, because fees on this chain are always high. If you pick other blockchains, you can certainly spend less on fees. How can you create NFT? Creating an NFT matches the process of putting your NFT on sale the first time. This is how you do it step by step. Pick your favorite marketplace and create your account. Because digital NFT art is traded on blockchains, you are going to need a crypto wallet. Inside the digital marketplace, find the Selling dashboard. Click on Sell New NFT and upload your digital art. This is where you are asked to pay the fee with digital coins. When you have completed this process, you have created your NFT. How to earn money with NFT? NFT isn't only interesting for artists or art collectors, but also for investors. Many people, however, wonder how they can earn money with NFT if they are not artists. In this section, we're going to find out how to do it. The principle behind earning money with NFT is one of trading goods. You buy a good for a certain price and then sell it at a higher price. Earning money with NFT is even more rewarding because if you have been the owner of an NFT once, you'll keep earning money on that NFT for each related transaction. A crypto investor could purchase NFT instead of crypto money as they are used to, wait for the NFT price to rise, and then finally sell it. This is how you earn money with NFT. Most known NFT marketplaces. As you may have learned in this content, marketplace choice is important for artists, sellers, and buyers. What are the best-known marketplaces for crypto NFT? OpenSea. This is the first marketplace for crypto NFT, and it's the one with the highest number of buyers and sellers. It's based on the Ethereum blockchain. Therefore, fees are extremely high. Gleam.io. Quite a new marketplace that is becoming very popular. Magic Eden. Based on the Solana blockchain, this is more suitable for beginners because fees are lower. Binance NFT. Binance is one of the world's most known crypto platforms. It allows you to buy, sell, and earn interest on crypto coins. Recently, Binance has entered the world of NFT with the Binance NFT marketplace. CNFT. a marketplace for digital NFT based on the blockchain Cardano. CNFT, a marketplace for digital NFT based on the blockchain Cardano or Binance. How to make money with NFT. All the news about NFT has got you thinking, what's up with that? The truth is, non-fungible tokens, shortened to NFT, are shaking up the world of art and finance. But what are NFT? How do they work? And here's the million-dollar question. How do you make money with NFT? In this article, we seek to answer those questions and a lot more. NFT aren't just for high-end art dealers or the heavy hitters of Silicon Valley. You too can not only understand how NFT work, but you can also take advantage of this revolutionary use of blockchain technology. Let's get started. But before we answer what we all want to know, how to make money with NFT, let's first define, in simple terms, what an NFT even is. What are NFT and what are they used for? You're not a tech guru or a startup entrepreneur. You are familiar with crypto, and maybe you're already investing. Therefore, you have a basic understanding of blockchain technology. More than anything, you're wondering what NFT are and whether you too can leverage them to make some money. Some of the most expensive NFT ever sold include a digital work of art from an artist named Beeple for nearly $70 million, a tweet from former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey for a bit less than $3 million, and a video clip of LeBron James dunking the ball for $200,000. That's a lot of money. We're not there yet. The first step to getting there, though, is to understand what NFT are and how they're made. What an NFT accomplishes is assigning truly one-of-a-kind value to a digital asset, like a certificate or a statement of authenticity in the digital space, backed up by the blockchain. This way, in our copy-and-paste world, you know you really are the one, or at least among the very few, that own a work of digital art, a historic bit of video, or even just a tweet. NFT are created or minted by average, everyday users, just like you, on the Ethereum blockchain, among others. If you're already using Ethereum, you're halfway there. The vast majority of NFT, though, are open source, meaning you can mint them on one platform and display or sell them on another platform, like OpenSea, just for one example. Once created, your NFT remains in custody in your crypto wallet. It's then associated with a collection. These could be audio files, digital images, or even music files. Really, any kind of digital content. NFT can be named, described, and even the rarity of the NFT is customizable. Once the digital content associated with the NFT is put up for sale, Mintbase being a good platform for digital artists, the buyer can feel confident that what they purchased is truly unique, a claim backed up by blockchain. You can certainly give away or trade your NFT for free, but this tokenization stays with the digital property, acting as a certificate of authenticity, similar to the antiques or collectibles market. So far, we've covered a bit about what NFT are, how they're made, why they work, and that there have been several high-profile NFT transactions recently, making headlines in the media. But you're here to find out how you too can make money with NFT. Those answers are coming up in our next section.